Collocations related to sun. Unbroken sunshine. When the sun is hot and no clouds are seen in the sky. Example: because of the unbroken sunshine, we decided to go for a ride up to the hill station. Scorching hot. Extremely hot. Example: it was scorching hot outside, so we decided to stay in to avoid sunburns. Soaking up the sunshine. To enjoy the sunshine. Example: after a bath at beach, Bill loves to soak up the sunshine with his friends. Collocations related to rain. Pouring with rain. To rain heavily in large drops. Example: it was pouring with rain in the morning, and we decided to cancel our holiday trip. Torrential rain. Heavy rain with winds. Example: last night the torrential rain caused heavy damage to the school. Freezing cold. Extremely cold. Example: in winters, the temperature of my house reaches to the degree of freezing cold. Get soaked. Get extremely wet. Example: last night, because it was heavily raining, I got soaked on my way home. Thick clouds. When it is impossible to see through clouds. Example: thick clouds is an indication of heavy rainfall.